danger lurks, suspense little. This video captures it all. Fasten your seatbelts and unforgettable ride awaits. The crane is in an unstable condition, possibly due to errors in the installation of the outriggers. Strict adherence to the installation procedures and cordoning off the surrounding area is necessary to ensure safety. The Commas truck is burning fiercely, and the flames could spread to the nearby vehicle. Someone please call 911 immediately. Structural failure in the trailer floor. Excessive point load from the bulldozer exceeded the floor's designed capacity, resulting in a fracture at the weakest point. You ever wonder what pure dominance looks like? Coon Centaurian in action. Operation of tractors on muddy terrain carries significant risks. The unprotected position of the person balancing the front of the vehicle increases the likelihood of serious injury in the event of an accident. Can you feel the power the tractor strains? Pulling the Liebherr 734 free from the icy pit. Every move tells a story of strength against the odds. The K700 turbine sounds incredible, like a launcher in action. Its colors, wheel chains, and rolling cage are all top-notch. Everything about it is simply perfect. Moments like these remind us how technology brings us closer to exploring the Earth's most hidden corners. With confidence, The Volmet 840.3 forwarder is engineered for peak efficiency in timber harvesting. Its advanced off-road systems ensure maximum uptime, minimizing cycle times even in the toughest terrain. When you take on too much to complete the set plan, but he took to bigger risk by revving the engine without fully releasing the clutch. The ZIL 131 is a powerful machine, professionally built to conquer tough terrain. Its 6x6 drive system sturdy frame and high ground clearance enable it to navigate through any challenging environment. What makes the UAZ Patriot and GAS 66 truly remarkable? For vehicles, the Patriot reimagines the SUV with unmatched off-road strength, wrapped in modern comfort. Meanwhile, the GAS 66 brings back the essence of rugged utility from the Soviet era, thriving in the most challenging terrains. These vehicles aren't just tools, they're trailblazers for those seeking adventure or resilience. Can you imagine the driver's frustration? Trying to drive the truck across the river. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. Sometimes not every road is meant to be taken. With deep snow terrain and narrow roads, the Mural off-road vehicle must tow the KAMAZ truck. with a shorter tow rope to increase pulling power. Not with such a foolish action. The truck loaded with asphalt tipped over and fell into a ditch, while swerving to avoid another truck. Fortunately, the driver was unharmed. However, the truck was damaged and needs to be towed. Pulling the T1 7 o'clock bulldozer out of the winter road work area with 2 all-terrain vehicles was undoubtedly a challenge of skill. For hours to successfully evacuate, this highlights the resilience of both the equipment and the team involved. Behold the process of transporting the world's largest excavator. Moving this massive thousands of tons, equipment requires flawless coordination and high-level expertise. Utilizing trains for transport minimizes time and enhances efficiency, ensuring the safety of both the machinery and the surrounding environment.
Xin chào tất cả các bạn đã quay trở lại với video tiếp theo của mình. Phía dưới này mình đang phát hiện một chiếc đầu kéo sắc man đang leo khúc cua đầu tiên bên Huế này các bạn này. Phía dưới kia cũng có một chiếc nữa. Lên nào. Quá khỏe. Cố lên bác tài. Một chiếc Sackman X3000 với 460 mã. Kéo theo một chiếc mọc phía sau là một chiếc máy gì này mình cũng không biết luôn các bạn ơi. Những cái máy móc về cơ giới công trình thì đúng thật sự là mình cũng bị hạn chế cái kiến thức. Wow. cũng là kết thúc hành trình leo đèo. Đến đây thì tuy nhiên các bạn có thể nhìn thấy này, mây mù nó đã bao phủ kín hết rồi. Thời tiết nó quá xấu
Wow,
rồi.
this video really puts the expert in heavy hauling.
Từ đây nhìn xuống khoảng 30 mét mà cái xe nó còn mờ
Navigating a
mờ kìa.
steep mountain pass with zero visibility. Not for the faint-hearted. The driver's skill is on full display here, as they take on foggy, dangerous conditions, pulling that massive rig around a hairpin curve. With precision,
Sương mù dày đặc
those
rồi
are
các
the
bạn.
kinds of professionals we
Ui chà.
need. Handling
thấy
these
cái xe
giant
rõ hơn rồi.
machines.
Quá là tiếc, nếu như mà trời hôm nay thời tiết trong xanh thì sẽ nhìn thấy chiếc xe đi đẹp hơn rất là nhiều. Wow, không lên được, vận tải không thể lên qua được chỗ này.
That river crossing looks insane. The mud, the freezing weather, and the uncertainty of it all. Only the toughest trucks and drivers can handle this kind of risk. Big props to the team for taking it on headfirst. That's what I call real teamwork. Watching this video gives a whole new perspective on heavy hauling. Moving a generator across 1,500 kilometers of rugged terrain is no small task, and let's not forget the technical skills needed to safely descend those steep hills with all that weight. It's a real testament to the expertise behind these operations. The Liebherr R996 is a beast in the mining world, weighing up to 740 tons for the backhoe and 745 tons for the phase shuttle. This hydraulic monster is powered by twin engines, cranking out 3,000 horsepower, with bucket capacities reaching 33 cubic meters. It's made for the toughest jobs. A huge oak tree was felled by a chainsaw in just 5 minutes. With a height of about 20, this is truly a dangerous and difficult job. His chainsaw skills are amazing. You think you've seen it all, huh? This lumberjack's about to turn the world of tree. Felling upside down, literally. He's throwing the rulebook out the window. And going rogue, what's he doing? I'm not even sure, but I can tell you it's going to be wild. Keep your eyes glued to the screen because trust me, you're in for a shock. This is not your grandpa's lumberjack show. This is something else. He seems to be a rebel. But there's a plan here. Compact and lightweight mini chainsaws, often called top-handle chainsaws, give arborists and tree climbers enhancement of versatility for precision cutting in tight spaces. Let's dive into the DKS one. For zero, this log splitter is a powerhouse. Using a 140mm conical drill powered by a hydraulic system, the high torque it generates effortlessly splits even the most substantial logs and roots. It's remarkably efficient, minimizing manual labor and saving precious time. In an era of increasing demand for timber, the industry faces the challenge of efficiency and sustainability. Enter the Pontiac C6 with the H8 harvester head. This dynamic duo addresses these challenges head-on. This combination of a powerful harvester with a high-tech head optimizes the harvesting process, minimizes waste, and maximizes yield. It's the solution the industry has been waiting for. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. It has a rotation speed of about 300 revolutions per minute at this speed. The chainsaw's working efficiency is amazing. Imagine splitting 300 cubic meters of beechwood every year. That's what our friend here was doing year after year. He got tired of the backbreaking work and said, "There's got to be a better way." He got tinkering, he got innovating. And guess what he built? This incredible log splitter. Now the job is easier, faster, and he's got more time to do what he likes most. This machine is a symbol of his tenacity. Isn't that inspiring? Incorporating anti-vibration technology in modern chainsaws reduces operator fatigue, allowing for longer periods of use without compromising comfort or performance. The machine that transforms logs into meat. Firewood stacks with just a few simple steps. The Hoggy Pilka to buy to auto is just that. It's like a lumberjack's dream come true. Picture this: a powerful saw slices through logs. Then a splitter magically divides them into perfect firewood pieces. It's a fascinating process to witness, and the machine's ability to adjust to different wood types is incredible.